Marble number 8, Mark 1. This is a rebuilt machine and we're going to cut it in neutral. Throw that in feed. Just a little 2-inch square. Spray a little coolant on it so we don't ruin your blade. The feed on marble is patented by you put in the pounds there and it senses the material. It won't feed any harder. So it's going to go slow through the thick part of the blade here. Thick part of the part. Should be breaking through any second. Very simple but very effective feed as a weight. And move it at any time. Give it a little more feed. There we go. Broken through the thick part. All the chip pans are here. The coolant system. The electric solenoid on it, so you just turn it on over here. Put a new panel on so you can read all your different feeds and speeds. Darcy made the aftermarket part and the panel. We've calibrated the saw and we have this little part cutting within about 3 thousandths or less. We'll give you a test piece with the machine where it's all written down. Come and watch it cut. I have larger parts, but I didn't want to make too long of a video. Yeah, it slows down the speed of the feeding as it goes through the thicker part.